In this short video, we will learn how to use Dropbox and how to share files in it. In order to send files, use Dropbox, you need to have a Dropbox account. For this, go to Dropbox website and creating an account by filling your details here or sign if you already have an account. Once you are on the home page of Dropbox, you have to first upload the files to be shared. For this, click on the Upload option, then click on Choose Files. Navigate through the files, choose a file, and click on Open. You can also upload more than one file by clicking on Add More Files. Once the files has been uploaded, click on the Share option to share the file. This is the link to the file uploaded. Copy it and send it via email, or in this option you can type the email of the person you want to share the file with. And if you want to share a folder that is already in the list, then select the folder and click on the Share button next to it, and you can find the option. If you want to share the folder, click on Send Link, and this is the same window I showed you before. Copy the link and send it to them via email. The other option is to invite people to collaborate. Then click on this option. It means people who are invited to collaborate can synchronize and add the file. Another way to share a folder is to create a shared folder. For this, click on this new folder icon, type the name of the folder, type the email address of the person you want to share the file with. You can see the shared files as being created. If you have received the file and you want to download, select the file to be downloaded and click on this download option. Select the location and click on Save, and the file will be downloaded.